taking you in this moment. Come get close like you own name. Read your aura,
Hi guys, welcome to my first vlog. I'm Hiruni Udari and I'm in Belarus and studying medicine. So, in my first vlog, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna spend my day. So, today I woke up a little early because I wanted to go to church. This is the church, and here in Belarus there are so many churches. Most of them are Orthodox, and this one is actually Catholic church. So, I came inside the church. Okay, then after my prayers at the church, I'm going to my first class for the day. The hospital is a little bit far away to the city center, and so I'm here now. Hi, cutie. And guys, this is the hospital. Actually, I came here to meet my one of teacher to ask about my previous exam, and now I'm done with that work. So now I'm gonna go to my next class. From here to that hospital, it takes like 15 minutes to go to there by taxi. Now I ordered a taxi and I'm going to walk outside a little bit because now it's winter season. Everything is so white and cold. Sometimes we hate to walk outside, but inside my mind, I love winter days. So I was waiting like 3 minutes for the taxi, and then I'll go to my next class. These days we are having the otolaryngology cycle, which means ENT. I think you all know about ENT surgeons. So that's it for the today. After my classes, I'm going to get some groceries. So I came to this supermarket, which called the Grain. Here there are so many supermarkets in the Vitebsk. Like Europe, Green, Kapechka, Vesta, and like so many discount centers are there. So let's go inside the supermarket, and I hope you guys enjoying my video. So come and let's see what I'm gonna buy for this week. So I'm buying some chilies, green chilies. It's actually pretty big, so I'm just only buying two of them. And I bought some vegetables. Actually, here there is no such vegetables because winter season. Um, but see, every time when I came to the supermarkets, I always buying cabbage. I don't know why, but I'm in love with cabbage. So I bought one, and there is carrots. I'm gonna buy carrots because always it's pretty easy to make mix rice. So I'm buying carrots, and then I'm gonna buy some garlics. If anyone wants to know about my mixed rice, like how I'm gonna make it, what ingredients I'm gonna add for it, let me know in the comment section. Now I'm going to buy some biscuits. Okay, this is the one. Red velvet cookie. I bought one and I saw the ice cream, then I wanted to eat one. So I bought one pistachio plus vanilla ice cream. That's it at the supermarket, and I came home. Um, you can see my apartment building. Actually, it's only 2 floors building. Pretty kind of old building. Uh, and that's it. I'm going to go inside my apartment and eat something. And yeah, this is actually my neighbor's cat. He's always outside. When he saw me, he's coming near the door to go inside. This chips packet I bought, and this is the first time I'm gonna try it. Actually, it's not good. So that's it for that day. This is the next day. I add these videos because I got some videos outside. Um, I thought it's so beautiful to share with you guys because this winter season, every place is like whitish. So this is the outside view of the university. Now I'm gonna walk there and actually if someone wants to come to Belarus and study medicine, let me know in the comment section. I would like to share the information. Now I'm gonna show you the main building of the university. And there are 6 floors in this building, and we had classes in this building in like first year, second year, and third years. Um, so let's walk. Uh, so this is the main road. Normally I'm walking here in the main road to my apartment, but today I thought I'll walk in different way. This is that the way. Mm, so let's go and see. Everything is so whitish. Actually, this country, Belarus, I heard from my one of teacher, it called White Russia because in winter season you guys can see every place is so whitish. And I would like to introduce myself. So, my name is Hiruni, as I said before when starting the video, and I'm studying now in fourth year in medical school, and I'm Sri Lankan, I'm Sinhala, and I thought I'll start the vlogs in English because it's good for me and good for you all guys. And of course, just I like anyone, I do make mistakes. If you hear any mistake in my speech during this video, please do not pay attention to them. And I'll do all my best to make it perfect. Let's go to my apartment.
And guys, please subscribe my channel.
So now I'm pretty close to my apartment. Actually, this is my apartment building. Now I will show you some small plates. My neighbors are keeping foods here to the birds. Actually, it's a pretty good thing. Now we came to end of my vlog. See you guys in my next vlog, and I will show you my pet and I will tell about him. Bye bye.